Now it's time for our tool number 9, and that is design.com. So this is how the design.com website actually looks like. This is a tool that helps you with your branding part, branding your business, your logo, when it comes to creation of your logo, business card, social media, website, and more of that stuff. You then launch and grow your dream business with just using this tool. So how design.com tool actually works. When you will come down over here, you will see you can create logo that helps you in your brand identity. You then create your website design. You then create AI design. You then create Facebook design, Instagram based design, social media, prints and videos. If you will come down, you then see you then made the logo with completely with the help of AI. You then create your business card. You then create your Facebook tower. You then even create Facebook stories, Facebook post, Instagram stories, Instagram post, YouTube banner, LinkedIn banner, poster, flyers, t-shirts, email signature, and more. So what you need to do over here is you just need to sign up with this your email account to use this tool. So right now I will sign up and I will show you how this tool works like magic when it comes to your business branding. So now I have signed up with my account, and what I will do right now, I will create a logo for my business. So for example, think of it as I have an AI business. AI based business. I have an AI agency business. So I will put in my business name right here and I will just click on create logo. So let's put the name when it comes to AI business. So I will put over here Boomer, AI Boomer. My business name is AI Boomer. So this is the name. And I will click on create a logo. So you need to wait for a moment and you will see the logo is created. So the keyword over here is tell us about your business. So add a keyword. So the keyword is artificial intelligence technology. So this is right. So I will continue with it. So now they are generating the logo based on my AI Boomer agency based business. So over here you can see there are so many logos that they have generated within a few seconds after putting my business name. So if you will come down over here, these all are unique looking logos which I can simply use for my business. There are more than 253 of it. And these all are free, where you then see over here, these all are free to use. So over here on the left hand side, you will find over here, they have given filters. What color do you want and what logo style do you want? So if I want a logo style to look like a classic one, so I'll click on classic and see the difference of my logo when it comes to all and a specific style which I need. So I need the classic one, and over here you then see this looks so amazing. This looks so professional. So I click on this logo right now. So step 1 is select your brand color. So which color do I actually want? So I will go with the red one. Or let's go with this one only, the blue one, because this looks so professional looking logo, AI Boomer. So I will continue. So logo text. So AI Boomer is there, and suggest a logo text AI Bloom, AI Hub. I don't want to use any of this. I am using just the name that I wanted to use. Now I will click on continue and a slogan to my logo. That means if you want any slogan to be added, but now I will take the suggestion from here, future ready, your AI partner, smart solutions. I will take over here your AI partner and I will click continue. Now these are all the four six options that they are given to me. They have given me. So you are here, you can see, then choose this one. You then choose this logo. You then go with this pattern, or this pattern. I would choose the default one, the first one that I've already loved the design. So this is now done. So I can simply download now. So it's preparing my file. So it's downloading my file. So the best part is, if you want to download any logo from here, you just need to pay for this tool. So it's not a complete tool, a completely free tool. It's a paid tool, but this tool works like magic. You don't have to hire any freelancer to create your logo, your business card, your website, or your slogan, or anything. So if you will come down over here for starter logo path, you will get your logo. That's your forever. It is your. No one can take it. You will get business card. You will get Instagram post. You will get Facebook post. You will even get email signature, a customized email signature. You will even get 50 plus other design tools. You will even get more than 5 lakh plus templates based on the starter plan. The more you increase the plan, the better it will be for you, or the better things that you will get. For example, if you will go for the premium one, you will get your logo forever. That's final. You can cancel anytime the subscription. You will get high resolution logo, unlimited changes you can do in your logo. That's the same thing that you can do in the starter and the value plan. And when it comes to the more feature, you will get website, link in the bio option, and even digital business card. So all of these stuffs you are getting doing nothing, just paying a small amount to this company or to this design.com, and it will create your website, your logo, your AI, your website, your logo, your business card, your letterhead, your email signature, and more. So this is one of the best tools that I've ever seen when it comes to the designing part, designing your logo, because before these tools, you need to hire a freelancer, and then they win there all the details of your business, and then waiting for a few days to get your customized logo. But this tool helps you generate your logo within a few minutes, or within a few seconds, not even minutes. Just you need to put your name of the business, and it will create your logo, your business card, your website, your social post, your email signature. Everything is done in just one tool. So I will highly recommend you to go with this tool, because this is one of the best tools when it comes to the business growth of your business. I didn't go further just because I don't want to use right now. I am not starting any business or something like that. But if you are starting any business, going ahead with your business, you want logo, you want website, you want email signature, Instagram post style, everything would be customized based on your logo, as I said. And this is the best tool. That's the only thing that I can say. The AI logo generator, the digital card builder, and more, these are all amazing stuffs. So just go for this tool and you will be amazed how this tool works like magic. So this was all from this lecture. I hope you enjoyed this. Just go and play around and create different logos just like that if you want, and you will love this. So this was all from this lecture. I will see you in the next one.